Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by choosing a provider that does not force a phone number. Proton Mail and Tutanota often allow this. Once chosen, make sure you have an alternate recovery email ready or plan to use OAuth to avoid phone verification. You should also prepare your browser, clear cookies, and consider private mode or a VPN when on public networks. By handling these prerequisites now, you prevent interruptions and speed the process. Move on when your recovery email or OAuth account is available. You now perform the actual sign-up. If the phone field is optional, skip it and complete name and recovery email fields. Alternatively, pick an OAuth option. Sign in with Apple, Google, or Facebook so you don't add a phone. For temporary needs, create a disposable inbox and enable forwarding to your alternative address. Make sure you set a strong password if prompted. Otherwise, rely on the OAuth provider's security. Once the account exists, confirm the recovery email or linked OAuth account works. You finish by confirming the account with the recovery method you used. Open the verification email or confirm OAuth linkage. Make sure you store any login credentials or connection notes in a secure place. Later, add secondary recovery like a backup email or authenticator app to avoid future phone needs. If you encounter a block or forced phone prompt, contact provider support promptly and provide any verification emails or timestamps. This troubleshooting approach usually resolves issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.